Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Facebook account temporarily inactive. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Facebook app and then go to menu and then scroll all the way down and settings and privacy. Now click settings and then go to account center and go to personal details and account ownership and control. Now click deactivation or deletion and click your profile and you can select whether deactivate your account or delete. Now click the deactivate and then put your password. Now continue once you're done and then select your reason. For mine, this is temporarily. I will be back. And then once you're done, click continue. And you can select how long you want to deactivate your account. It may be 1 day, 2 days, or more. Mine, I'll just go with 3 days, and then after that, click the continue button and finally deactivate my account. And then that's it everyone. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.